Maintaining oral hygiene and keeping your teeth clean is important. And like many other useful devices, electric toothbrushes have gained popularity among users for their ergonomic features as it comes with. Your regular drugstore toothbrush does the work of cleaning well, but an electric toothbrush comes with added advantages, so you can set the intensity level or change modes according to your necessity. And it can also work on hard-to-reach places, which your regular toothbrush just can't. So in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best electric toothbrushes for you, which will take care of your teeth, keep your mouth clean, and provide you with white and healthy teeth in no time. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The greatest concern with using electric tools and devices is the fact that how long it can sustain with a single charge. And if you're worried about that, then the FOREO ISSA 2 is here to provide you with long-lasting charge that will last for up to 365 days. This electric toothbrush has a brush head made of PBT polymer and soft silicone, and it uses an improved sonic pulse technology to provide thorough cleaning. It has 16 adjustable cleansing modes, and it works strong on plaque while being gentle on your gums. It's a waterproof product which provides you with full brushing control while cleaning effectively. This durable and hygienic brush comes with a smart hybrid design, and it lasts long, while 1 hour of charging keeps it workable for a whole year. The product is travel friendly as well. The FOREO ISSA 2 is favored by users on Amazon as it cleans and makes teeth shiny, and the brush holds a charge for a really long time. But then again, a few users complained that the brush stopped working after some time. So let's take a look at the ratings. And in case of value, we'll give this product 5 stars. But when it comes to user acceptance and price, it'll get 4 stars. Our next pick for today is the AquaSonic Black Series Ultrasonic Whitening Toothbrush, which comes with a powerful motor and updated technology to provide you with a healthy smile. It has 4 different modes and an ultrasonic motor, which ensures a thorough cleaning of your mouth. The smart vibration timer offers convenience, while 8 DuPont-engineered brush heads take care of your teeth perfectly. This ADA-accepted toothbrush operates using lithium-ion batteries, and one single charge lasts for up to 30 days. It's 10 times more effective compared to any manual toothbrush, and it improves your gum health while whitening your teeth with continued use. This lightweight and IPX7 rated waterproof toothbrush also comes with a travel case. Users highly appreciate this electric toothbrush as it comes with great features and it leaves your teeth feeling clean and fresh. But besides that, some users were disappointed with their purchase. So it's time to check out the ratings. We love the overall features, and the product was also affordable, so it'll get 5 out of 5 stars from all 3 aspects. Achieve professional cleaning results every day with the Oral-B iO Series 9 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush, which is our next recommended product for you. This product comes with an app, which uses 3D brushing recognition and AI technology for advanced cleaning. It has 7 different modes, and the unique round brush head uses micro vibration for proper cleaning. The smart pressure sensor of this brush indicates whether the pressure is correct or not. This toothbrush features a quick charge station, and it has an interactive color display for ease of use. It provides you with a professional clean feeling while keeping track of your brushing habits. And on top of that, the product comes with a charging travel case. The Oral-B IO Series 9 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush pleasantly surprised the users as it does the job quite well, while the app also works perfectly for them. But as it goes, some users face technical issues after using the product. Moving on to the ratings. We admire the electric toothbrush for its convenient features and design, so it'll get 5 stars on those. But it does fall a bit on the pricier side, earning it 4 stars on that. The Fairywill P11 Ring Electric Toothbrush is an award-winning product which promises to provide you with safe and effective oral care on the go. The toothbrush comes with a rugged construction and has 3rd generation maglev motor. It features 3 different modes and a ring light setting system, an 8 DuPont brush with 3D bristles for thorough and effective cleaning. This brush is waterproof rated IPX7 and comes with built-in smart timer for your convenience. You can charge the toothbrush for 2 hours and it will last up to 30 days. It removes up to 10 times more plaque compared to regular toothbrushes, and it improves your gum health while whitening your teeth. This ADA accepted toothbrush comes with a travel case, so you can easily carry it with you whenever you want. This electric toothbrush is loved by users as it provides a great cleaning and it comes with a great battery life. But a few of them complained that the product didn't really last that long. So time to check out the ratings. We highly appreciated the product for its useful features and affordability, so overall it'll get 5 out of 5 stars. Our best pick for today's video is the Philips Sonicare 9700 DiamondClean Smart, which promises to provide 100% coverage for maximum cleaning experience. This electric toothbrush has a connected app and a smart sensor suite, featuring 5 different modes and 3 intensity levels to provide oral cleaning. It comes with premium brush heads, which can adjust the modes and intensities automatically. And the position sensor in the brush ensures total coverage. This toothbrush ensures up to 10 times more plaque removal, and it helps to remove more stains while making your gums healthier than before. It also works to provide you with long-lasting fresh breath. And additionally, the brush head reordering service of this toothbrush tracks your usage and orders new brush heads automatically. It also comes with a stylish charging glass and deluxe travel case for your convenience. Users on Amazon absolutely love this electric toothbrush for the app it comes with, and they highly admire how it provides great cleaning. But some of them complain that the brush is overpriced for what it does. So let's rate this product now. We were overwhelmed by the overall quality and performance of this electric toothbrush, giving it 5 stars on both of those. But it is quite pricey, so we'll get 4 stars on that. And those were our top 5 electric toothbrushes. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.